Hello. Welcome back to BIM and Beyond. As a part of our Getting Started with Dynamo video series, today we will discuss on how to export the Revit Element Parameters to Excel for better management of asset information. To start with, let's open the sample Revit file with MEP information. Through this example, we will export the mechanical equipment parameters into an Excel spreadsheet where asset information can be added. Open Dynamo from the Manage tab in Revit. In the library, we can find few nodes for import and export of data to Excel and CSV. The category of elements, whose data needs to be extracted is selected. After choosing the category, all elements of category node is used to list out the elements in the project. Once the elements are populated, the element parameters can be accessed and listed for better understanding. From the parameter list, instead of exporting the entire data, we can identify the parameters that need to be extracted for the asset, and only those identified information can be exported. List out the required parameters as a string so that the parameter value can be extracted based on parameter name. The same list can be created using a code block too, which is shown here. Element, get parameter value by name code is used to extract the parameter value. And the lacing is changed to cross product to get complete list. While exporting the data to Excel, the parameter name needs to be exported as a header. For this, we can use list, add item to front node to insert the header. Finally, to export data, the Export Excel node is selected. Here, the directory for saving the file is provided as a string. The Excel sheet name is input as string. The starting row and column is input as an integer, and the data that needs to be exported is input to data. In this example, the category name is provided as the sheet name. The exported Excel information can be filtered, sorted, and grouped for better data handling. In this example, we have exported the comment parameter which is empty. We can add some project information under comment column. This is where you can get creative and add different shared parameters / project parameter in Revit. For example, the manufacturer information, the delivery status, the installation information, etc. In the Excel sheet, the information pertaining to each equipment can be added and can be imported back into Revit using Dynamo, which will be covered in next video. Finally, to recap. Started off with identifying the category. Listed out all elements of the category. Extracted the parameter values of each of the element based on parameter name. Finally, after sorting through the data, it is exported into Excel. In case of updating the data, the previously exported information can be overwritten by setting the Boolean value to true.